Hello friends, today we are going to make a photo frame and a decorated bottle with a royal and classy look but in a very simple manner because art is simple. But before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button.
For this we need an empty bottle. This is the back stand of an old photo frame which I am going to reuse. I am taking 2 cardboard pieces for making the frame. The back piece should be bigger than the stand and the front should be a little more bigger than the back piece. Here I am using sap green and metallic green acrylic color and a flat brush. So first, we will paint the bottle with sap green color completely. Do it slowly and in one direction to avoid patches. Once it is dry, apply a second coat of green metallic and then leave it to dry. Here my bottle is completely colored and dry. Now we will work on the photo frame. First, with the help of a glue gun, I will paste the stand on the back side of the cardboard piece properly. Leave this upper side open to insert the picture and apply the glue on the rest 3 sides of the frame. Stick it nicely. So from top you can insert picture inside your frame later like this. Now take the broad golden ribbon, put the glue on one side of the frame and paste the ribbon on it. Repeat it on the bottom. For the sides, it's better to take the measurement first and then cut it and paste it. Do it on both the sides. Here I have purchased this beautiful golden embroidered patch. Paste it and it's ready. Now take the bottle, measure the size of the thick ribbon, cut it accordingly and paste it. Seal the corners properly. take the thin ribbon and paste it under the broad ribbon in similar manner. Paste the same ribbon on the neck of the bottle too. Sealing the edges is very important. I have got a similar patch for my bottle too. I think this will look the best here. Apply the glue and paste it. Don't forget to seal the corners and it's ready.